This way. That's the company's name, Shahnaz Hussain. You can request.
So dear friends, it is indeed with great pleasure that I accepted this invitation of Dev and Soni to be the chief guest today at the inauguration of the Shahnaz Hussain products which we see in the stall. And I'm also very pleased that my dear friend Mr. Rabin Baldev Singh, Deputy Mayor of The Hague, and his wife Ratna are also with us and will be speaking to us also. I think this occasion provides an opportunity to pay tribute to Dev and Soni first of all for their continuous support to the efforts to expand and create a favorable climate for further improvement of business relations between our two countries. When I asked them how they managed to get the sole distributorship of Shahnaz Hussain in the Benelux, which is a remarkable achievement, they told me that they had gone to Dubai and they were very impressed to see the display of Shahnaz Hussain beauty products in Dubai, and they were even more interested by the benefits of bringing this ancient herbal healing system based on Ayurveda here to the Netherlands. They wanted to revive the age-old remedies which had been lost in time, and also to bring Ayurveda, which is the great legacy of India, to the Netherlands. This provides an excellent opportunity for those of you who don't know about Shahnaz Hussain or Ayurveda to remember that Ayurveda was established 5,000 years ago by the great sages of India and is the oldest and most organized system of herbal healing in the world. It literally means the science of life. It is not only a system of healing, but it's an entire way of life which aims at helping human beings to live in harmony with nature and harmony with themselves. Dev and Soni are to be felicitated for acquiring this sole distributorship of this Shahnaz Hussain products in the Benelux region and registering this company with the name of Shahnaz Hussain Impex. They had the full support of the Vice Governor of the province of Utrecht and the head of Invest Utrecht, and this is indeed very encouraging, and I am confident that they will be able to spread this message of Ayurveda. This provides an opportunity also to recall who is Shahnaz Hussain, CEO. Shahnaz is a prominent Indian female entrepreneur, best known for her herbal cosmetics, particularly skincare products. In 2006, she was awarded a civilian award by the President of India, the Padma Shri, and in 1996, Success Magazine's World's Greatest Woman Entrepreneur Award was given to her. It was during Shahnaz's husband's posting to Iran that she realized her interest in beauty and cosmetology, and she pursued it thereafter with great passion in many leading institutes like Helena Rubinstein, Christine Valmy, Lancome, etc. I have great pleasure, therefore, in inaugurating the Shahnaz Hussain products in the Benelux, and I am confident that given the dynamism and charm of this couple, Soni and Dev, as Dev has always put Soni's name first, he's right, that this venture, like all their other ventures, will be a huge success. I hope they can bring their products to The Hague and Amsterdam, and I would like to conclude by remembering that beauty is not just beauty of the face, but skin deep and beauty inside, the beauty of the soul. So I'd like to conclude by quoting from the famous Lebanese poet Khalil Gibran, who in the 19th century said of beauty, and I quote because I believe in it, "Beauty is not the image you would see, nor the song that you would hear. Beauty is not the image you would see, nor the song that you would hear. Beauty is an image you see, though you close your eyes, and a song that you hear when you shut your ears. Beauty is life when life unveils her holy face. Beauty is life when life unveils her holy face, but you are life and you are the veil. Beauty is eternity gazing at itself in a mirror. Beauty is eternity gazing at itself in a mirror, but you are the eternity and you are the veil." Thank you.